for a fridge. Now I want cake. I mean, I never not want cake. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's trim a little bit on the side, maybe a little bit on that side. Just a little bit though, and we'll keep it in a container so that we may use it perhaps for something else. I did with the first layer. The top vanilla layer is making me, this one? And it's all fine. It's all fine. Let's pretend that's a straight line, okay? Everyone? We're pretending that's a straight line. Okay, I mean, look at this though. This is gonna be such a nice cake. For snackage, that's right. That's right. Cake scraps for snackage. Okay. I think we could take a little bit more off that side, which will be good because it'll even it all out. We're going significantly less off of this side. Just enough to like straighten out the edge. And I'm gonna go one layer at a time since we're doing so little. So many cake scraps. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. That way. God, there's so much frosting. So much frosting in my life right now. Great job on that card. Thank you. Thank you. Energy check. Need more energy. Yes. So this was started with scraping